This is the device we're going to be using in order to make the car Bluetooth compatible. It is the 𝐏𝐫𝐸, I believe that's French, model number BTF-M4. I am going to have the product link down in the video description below. The first thing you're going to notice over here is a channel button. You're able to click that in order to navigate through the channels using this knob. You could switch it left or right. You could also click to pause and play. I believe you're also able to pick up phone calls from this symbol here. I don't know, but it looks like it. You have 2 USB ports, 1 amp, 2.4 amps fast charge. There's an LED indicator right over here that lets you know that the device is in fact powered on, and also an LCD that lets you know what station you're on. So I'm currently tuned into 96.5. Now what pretty much happens when you plug it into your car is it'll reserve that station that it's currently tuned into. Once again, that's 96.5. We're gonna simply power on the car. Let's do that now. Oh. Turn on the AC. Okay. Now when the device powered on, it first showed BT, which stands for Bluetooth. Now it shows 96.5. Once again, that station is currently reserved to this unit. We're gonna go over to the radio and we're gonna switch it over to 96.5 if it's not already on there. Yep, there it is. All you simply have to do at this point is go into the Bluetooth settings of your device. We're gonna locate where it says BTF-M4, pair to it, and simply play any music you like, whether that's from iTunes, YouTube, anything that you choose, Spotify. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐿𝐻𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐻𝐷. Come on now, you know I'm out. What are you saying? Peace.